Drawings can be accessed and managed from several locations within Civil 3D. First, click the Application menu and you'll see the classic New and Open commands. In addition to that, you have a list of most recently used drawings. Any of these drawings can be selected to be open. You have an option to order the list in a number of ways, and you can also change its display, from small icons to large icons, and even small images of the drawings. There's an option to pin commonly used drawings that keeps them in this list. So rather than just a list of the last drawings you opened, this allows you to create a list of the ones that you most frequently want to access. Drawings can also be opened from the Quick Access Toolbar, where the Open and New Drawing buttons are also located. This New Drawing button uses the QNEW command, which opens a new drawing using your default template from the program Options. That default template can be set in your AutoCAD Options. Right-click the command line and select Options. In the Options dialog box, on the Files tab, under Template Settings, is the default template for QNEW. Browse to the default template you would like to use this command and select it. Then click Apply and OK. When you use the new command under the Quick Access Toolbar, a dialog box opens where you can select your desired template. On the View tab of the ribbon, you'll see an option to switch windows. This shows you all the drawings that are currently open. You can also tile those drawings horizontally, vertically, or arrange them in a Cascade view. Click the Prospector tab of the Toolspace. When the Prospector is set to Active Drawing View, it only shows the current drawing and data shortcuts. But if you change to Master View, it shows all the open drawings along with data shortcuts and drawing templates. Using this, you could switch from the current drawing, which is in bold, to any other drawing by right-clicking and selecting the Switch To option. You could also switch back again by right-clicking and selecting Switch To. Under your Drawings in the Prospector tab of the Toolspace, look again at the Data Shortcuts. Data shortcuts allow you to access data that has been shared from other drawings within your project. Lastly, under Drawing Templates, you can browse and find any drawing templates that you have set up. You can also create a new drawing here by simply right-clicking a template and selecting Create New Drawing. You can also open this template to edit it. There are a number of ways you can open existing drawings and create new ones within the Civil 3D interface.